Okay, let's talk a little bit about our custom domain options. Okay, so if you're looking for a custom domain, first thing I would mention is in order to access this or implement this, you need to have either a power or a premium account. Our paid account options have the custom domain feature. So it's relatively straightforward. There's some other documentation on our blog about this, but essentially follow these steps. Wherever your domain is registered, you're going to need to create a subdomain. So as you can see here in this example, you know, um, a subdomain might be link.mydomain.com. Um, so that would be, a lot of folks use LNK. You could use I dot whatever. But in order to do this, once you've actually figured out and created that subdomain, you'll come here and click Create Custom Domain. You will name it whatever you want. So, if this is a specific artist, you can name it the artist subdomain. You drop the actual domain in here. Um, and then you can also make this your primary. So I'm not creating a new one here, but this is our test account. So a lot of these you see, if for some reason it doesn't go through, you'll see the failed confirmation. We were working on some tests with this previously when you're seeing this. But why would you might be asking why you might want to use a custom domain. So let me just show you what our pages look like. This is an example pre-save page from Sarah Jarose. It's using our general found.ee, and then they've customized the kind of suffix here or prefix, however you want to refer to this. But you can see the pages here, which you can learn more about, if you're not familiar on other blog posts. But this is a really cool page, and they've embedded their Shopify merchandise store here. But this is an example of a found.ee URL, which is what comes with all of our free accounts. If you wanted a custom URL or custom domain, this is an example, this Method Man one. So you can see here, this is lnk.tungo.com / Method Man New Old School. And here's another one. This is another pre-save page from Sleater Kinney that's coming out later this year, or next year, 2024 now. And so this is, again, a custom domain. So the reason people use these is really more for kind of a vanity branding component. If you want to, instead of using our found.ee URL, you can use something that is branded to your artist or your venue or whatever way you're currently trying to use it. So the process is relatively easy to set up. We do have some other documentation here as well as on our blog. So if you have any other further information, please reach out to our support team and we'll be happy to help you. Happy marketing.